The universe is vast, ancient, and filled with mysteries we're only just beginning to unravel. For centuries, we've looked to the stars, asking the big questions. Are we alone? What else is out there? While we've made incredible discoveries, space continues to send us puzzles that challenge everything we think we know. We've intercepted signals so strange, so powerful, and so baffling that even our brightest minds are scratching their heads. Today, we read diving deep into the cosmic static to uncover 10 of the most perplexing signals from space that scientists simply can't explain. From repeating bursts of energy to a lone, powerful cry from the void, get ready to question what you know about the cosmos. Let's start our journey into the unknown. First on our list is perhaps the most famous unexplained signal of all, the WOW signal. On a summer night in 1977, astronomer Jerry Emin was monitoring data from the Big Ear radio telescope when he spotted something extraordinary. A powerful, narrow-band radio signal, lasting for a full 72 seconds, blazed through the receivers. It was so strong and so unique that Emin circled it on the printout and wrote "Wow" in the margin. The signal came from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius, a region of space with no known planets or advanced civilizations. It was at a frequency that is internationally protected for astronomical use, making it unlikely to be terrestrial interference. The WOW signal was exactly the kind of transmission we might expect from an intelligent extraterrestrial source. But here's the catch. Despite countless attempts to reskin that same patch of sky, the signal has never been heard again. It was a one-time cosmic whisper, leaving us to wonder who, or what, was saying hello. Next, let's talk about fast radio bursts, or FRBs. Imagine a flash of light so bright it outshines an entire galaxy, but it only lasts for a few milliseconds. That's the radio wave equivalent of an FRB. These are incredibly intense bursts of radio energy coming from deep space. First discovered in 2007, we've now detected hundreds of them. The mystery in just their immense power, but their origin. Some FRBs repeat from the same location, while others are one-off events. The repeating ones have been traced back to distant galaxies, but the actual source remains a puzzle. Theories range from highly magnetized neutron stars, called magnetars, to colliding black holes, and yes, even advanced alien technology. The sheer energy required to produce such a burst is mind-boggling, making FRBs one of the most energetic and baffling phenomena in modern astronomy. They're like cosmic lightning flashes without a storm to explain them. Our third mystery takes us to a star known as KIC 8,462,852, or Tabby's star. This star, located about 1,500 light-years away, has been dimming and brightening in a way that defies all conventional explanations. While stars often dim when a planet passes in front of them, the dips in brightness from Tabby's star are irregular and massive, sometimes blocking up to 22% of the star's light. A planet the size of Jupiter would only block about 1%. Scientists have considered swarms of comets, a planetary collision, or even dust clouds, but none of these theories fully fit the data. This led to the most exciting and controversial hypothesis: an alien megastructure. Could a massive structure, like a Dyson swarm designed to harvest the star's energy, be causing these strange dips? While natural explanations are still being explored, Tabby's star remains a tantalizing what-if for astronomers searching for signs of advanced civilizations. Now for a signal with a truly spooky name, the cosmic roar. In 2006, astronomers launched a balloon-borne instrument to measure heat from the universe's first stars. Instead, they picked up something else entirely: a radio noise 6 times louder than anything they expected to find. This roar wasn't coming from any specific star or galaxy. It seemed to be coming from everywhere, a background hum that permeates all of space. Scientists have ruled out known sources like primordial stars and radio galaxies. The sound is just ... there. It's a fundamental mystery. What could be creating this much radio noise across the entire universe? Some theories suggest it could be the collective signal from countless undiscovered, faint radio galaxies, but the numbers don't quite add up. It's as if the universe itself is humming a tune, and we have no idea what the song is about. Our fifth signal is known as a long-delayed echo, or LDE. This is a truly strange phenomenon where a radio signal transmitted from Earth is heard again seconds, minutes, or even years later. It's like shouting into a canyon and hearing your echo return long after you've walked away. The first LDS were reported by amateur radio operators in the 1920s, and they've been intermittently observed ever since. The problem is, there's no known natural mechanism that can store a radio signal for that long and then retransmit it back to Earth. The Earth's ionosphere can cause short delays, but not on the scale of minutes or years. One of the more speculative theories proposes the existence of an ancient, automated extraterrestrial probe in orbit around Earth or the Moon, designed to capture and repeat our signals. While it sounds like science fiction, the lack of a plausible natural explanation keeps this fascinating possibility on the table. Let's move on to the BLC-1 signal, or Breakthrough Listen Candidate 1. In 2019, the Breakthrough Listen project, dedicated to finding signs of alien intelligence, detected a very intriguing signal coming from the direction of Proxima Centauri, our Sun's nearest stellar neighbor. Proxima Centauri is known to have at least one planet orbiting within its habitable zone. The BLC-1 signal was a narrow-band emission, which is a hallmark of artificial technology, and it appeared to drift in frequency in a way that suggested it was coming from a moving object, like a planet. The team was cautiously optimistic, calling it the most significant candidate since the WOW signal. However, after extensive analysis, the researchers concluded that the signal was most likely a strange form of human-generated radio interference from Earth. Despite this conclusion, the BLC-1 event showed just how difficult and how exciting the search for ET can be. Our seventh enigma is the space roar revisited, but this time with a twist. Remember that cosmic hum louder than all known sources combined. Well, a separate mystery might be connected. It's called the anomalous microwave emission. All over our galaxy, there's a faint microwave glow that doesn't seem to come from any known source. It's not the cosmic microwave background radiation from the Big Bang, and it doesn't match the signature of interstellar dust. Interestingly, some scientists have proposed that this glow could be caused by rapidly spinning, microscopic dust grains. These spinning dust particles could theoretically generate microwaves. While it's a leading theory, it hasn't been definitively proven, and the connection to the latter cosmic roar remains a subject of intense debate. It adds another layer of background noise in the universe that we can't quite tune out or explain. Number 8 on our list is a source known as GC-RTJ-1745-3009. This is a transient radio source near the center of our galaxy. That means it turns on and off. In 2002, astronomers observed 5 powerful radio bursts from this location over a period of several months, each lasting about 10 minutes. Then, it went completely silent and hasn't been reliably detected since. What makes it so weird is its behavior. It's not a pulsar, which flashes with clockwork regularity, and it doesn't behave like a flare star or a magnetar. Its radio emissions were highly coherent, almost like a cosmic laser, which is very unusual for a natural source. Scientists have nicknamed it the burper because of its intermittent bursts. Its true nature is a complete mystery. Was it a rare type of star we've never seen before, or something else entirely? We're still waiting for it to burp again. For our 9th mystery, we look at the peculiar case of radio source as HGBO 2+14A. In 2003, the SETI at Home project, which uses home computers to analyze radio telescope data, flagged this signal as a point of interest. It was a weak, narrow-band signal observed 3 times from the same point in the sky, somewhere between the constellations Pisces and Aries. What made it stand out was its frequency, around 1420 MHz. This is a significant frequency, known as the hydrogen line, which many astronomers believe an alien civilization would use to broadcast a signal because hydrogen is the most common element in the universe. The signal also showed a rapid frequency drift, as if it were coming from a planet rotating much faster than Earth. However, the signal was very weak and couldn't be redetected in subsequent searches, leaving it in the file of intriguing but unconfirmed cosmic mysteries. Finally, we have the Lorimer burst, the very first fast radio burst ever discovered. In 2007, Duncan Lorimer and a student were sifting through archival data from the Parkes Observatory when they found a massive, dispersed signal from 2001. The burst lasted less than 5 milliseconds, but released an incredible amount of energy. The way the signal was dispersed, meaning its lower frequencies arrived later than its higher ones, suggested it had traveled through billions of light-years of intergalactic space. At the time, it was so strange that many thought it was an instrument glitch, but it wasn't. The Lorimer burst opened up a whole new field of astronomy dedicated to FRBs. While we've found many more since, this first discovery remains a landmark moment. It was the signal that proved the universe was capable of producing phenomena far more extreme and mysterious than we had ever imagined. From the singular wow to the cacophony of the cosmic roar, these 10 signals remind us that we are just beginning our exploration of the cosmos. Each unexplained whisper and shout from the void pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and fuels our desire to explore. Are they natural phenomena we don't yet understand? Or could they be breadcrumbs left by something or someone else? Only time, technology, and our unyielding curiosity will tell. What do you think is the most likely explanation for these strange signals? Let me know your theories in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the unknown. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the mysteries of our universe.